हाँ यार देखो, challenges have been overwhelming of course, ठीक है. प्लस पर्सनल फ्रंट्स पे भी हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ देखा है यहाँ पे. Not just in terms of the kind of complication that comes in this particular field of job, because this is very dynamic.
And I was sitting here, again, the same place. I was sitting there.
Right there.
Right, exactly there. And ma'am came in, like, ma'am introduced, okay, where are you from? I told her I'm from Chandigarh. Then we clicked at that point. Ki, oh, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh is, again, that point. So that made me more comfortable. Plus, again, ma'am always told me कि नहीं यार, ठीक है, आज नहीं हुआ, कल हो जाएगा. कल नहीं हुआ, परसों हो जाएगा. But it will happen.
So today we are here to discuss हमारा एक टॉपिक था toughest of all. You guys has got an invitation.
Right.
तो यहाँ पे बुलाया है 4 CSs को. CS being we feel कि यार toughest है. That job is not easy.
Right.
But what do you mean? अभी हम toughest of all में क्या discuss करेंगे?
Answering your questions right now.
Oh wow. Anything else?
I think we'll talk about the challenges or the things that we have faced across the vertical, because बहुत closely काम किया है, बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी भी हैं. When we look back, because जब आप एक journey start करते हो, you don't look back and you don't stop and look back and see what all you have been through, right? So I think we will be discussing about that and answering your questions particularly.
Slightly there. No, Slightly.
हाँ यार देखो, challenges have been overwhelming of course, ठीक है. प्लस पर्सनल फ्रंट्स पे भी हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ देखा है यहाँ पे. Not just in terms of the kind of complication that comes in this particular field of job, because this is very dynamic. ऐसा written नहीं है, स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है कि सिर्फ कर लिया यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रेजुएट नहीं. It doesn't happen like that. So there has been a lot of challenges, there has been a lot of difficulties that we have come across with, and I am hopeful कि और आगे आने वाला है, because that is where we grow. ठीक है.
That's good.
Very hopeful.
ठीक है.
Too optimistic.
ठीक है. Any other inference और कुछ?
Challenges, situations. Rest you will tell.
Challenges, situations.
दिल्ली की बारिश.
दिल्ली की बारिश.
Is that a
दिल्ली की बारिश.
बारिश कहाँ होती है?
काश हो जाए अभी.
Exactly.
अभी नहीं ना, दिल्ली में बारिश.
No, that is toughest of all. For it to rain in Delhi is tough.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Hidden meaning.
दिल्ली में बारिश होना मुश्किल.
Yes.
Got it.
और
ठीक
डेफिनेटली
है.
समझ लेते हैं.
नहीं समझ में. You had a phase in life जहाँ पे as far हमारे conversation के through ये पता चला था कि 1 year you had to leave sweets or anything जो कुछ भी मीठा खाना बना था. You know, being known for sweet, you being known as sweet. Was that the toughest for you? मतलब what exactly, how do you define toughest?
What I would say is कि वो जो it was a scenario, because that was a challenge. Just to give you a backdrop, I was around 107 kgs.
अरे बाप.
Yes, and I was
We need to
like
see pictures.
very huge.
Quite a growth, yeah.
107 kgs.
107 kgs, and I was like very huge. So I immediately planned कि मुझे दिल्ली जाना है for my college. So my dad said कि ऐसे जाएगा. Like it was his exact reaction. Will you go like this? Like Delhi is a good place. You have to present yourself. You have to be presentable. One day, like after my 12th boards, I told my mom, she is a gym freak. So I told her, Mom, I have to go to the gym. I need to work out. She just said 3 things: leave sweets, leave junk food, and work out daily, without fail. So I took up that as a challenge. Yes, it was very tough क्योंकि I was a person जो पूरा एक cheese burst का पिज्जा अकेले खाता था बैठ के, and still I would want more.
Look at this. Cheese was
अच्छा है तो क्या?
Right, and sweets definitely, yes, sweet is like my go-to food. कि I'm a sweet tooth, तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So leaving that for a year, and even after that when I came to college, so I think that was the toughest challenge that I came across, but I came across it.
वेट कितना ड्रॉप क्या करती है तो बताओ.
Weight drop, currently I am 61.
माइक ड्रॉप हो गया.
107, 61.
61. My waist dropped from around 38 to 32, 30. So if that defines it something.
अभी
What
कुछ करते हो?
motivated you? What motivated you all throughout?
I think
The girls in Delhi college.
just Delhi colleges, because I had that my
You
dad
missed one part. Tell us.
he instilled me कि यार ऐसे जाएगा तू college because like अच्छा ठीक है
रीजन तो कुछ और था पता
हाँ
नहीं
reason तो चलो ठीक है but that was one of the reasons but that didn't keep me motivated but yes I think that was my only motivation
अच्छा दिखना था.
अच्छा दिखता था
अच्छा दिखता था.
definitely because when I used to look myself in the mirror I didn't like that image in front of me so yeah.
अभी कुछ करते हो to maintain what you have already built?
No.
Don't you see my
No, I don't do anything.
The opposites of what the mom told. Eat sweet things. Eat junk food multiple times.
Don't work out.
never work out
So yeah, I think that was the toughest challenge I overcame recently.
ठीक है. ध्रुव आप पे आते हैं. Recently फोन टूटा हमारा. आपका?
थोड़ा किसके साथ टूटा?
Did Ashwita break it?
Not at all.
Kind of.
Kind of?
She was in the scenario, but she didn't. She wasn't the one putting that hand on that phone.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा हाथ था उनका.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हाथ था. No, phone तो wasn't toughest of all.
अश्मिता जो फ्रेम में आती है.
कुछ तो होता है.
ये थोड़ा.
हाँ.
Okay.
So what has been the toughest till now? What do you mean by toughest in life?
I mean, toughest in life is different, but phone से क्यों refer किया? I mean, phone is.
फोन तो toughest था ही नहीं जो खुद के पास चीजें हैं. है ना?
Okay, so like toughest for me is like being in a scenario wherein you have family pressure, when you have work pressure, when you understand that you have multiple students who are relying upon you for their future. At the same time, सारी चीजें छोड़कर आप उनकी प्रोफाइल पर, उनके करियर पे फोकस कर उनके लिए काम करना day in day out. When I think we all can relate when we have the peak season, we kind of work like around 1 a.m. 2 a.m. in the morning till 1 a.m. 2 a.m. in the morning. Till the time हमें पता है कि कल डेडलाइन है वो एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करनी है. So I think that is the toughest time for all of us, but that is the most sweetest time because हमें पता है that is going to be more fruitful for us once like 2-3 months down the line जब ऑफर आएगा वो स्टूडेंट खुश होगा, वो स्टूडेंट जाएगा वहाँ पढ़ने के लिए, करियर बनेगा. I think it's basically we are putting the seeds in that soil जो आगे जाकर grow होगी and it's gonna help us.
So do you take pressure as pressure? Yeah.
Not really.
ऐसे ही कर देते हैं. ऐसे ही कर देते हैं.
ऐसे ही कर देते
I mean,
ऐसे ही कर देते हैं.
मजा आता है करने में, but हाँ प्रेशराइज होता है इंसान जब you have a lot of things to do at one particular time. But हाँ still at the same time अगर team as a teamwork हम लोग काम करते हैं, we have the teamwork, we have that rapport with the students कि बहुत easily चीजें निकल जाती. So I think प्रेशराइज तो कभी कोई सीरियस होगा ही नहीं.
Agreed.
Great. Numer, coming to you during our previous conversation, you mentioned to me कि school time में you were bullied a lot, right? And that has been one of the scariest like nightmares for you. So how has that toughest journey of your life been? Was that the toughest, or is there other things as well?
No, yeah, that was indeed one of the toughest moments that I had to bear. Because if I have to recall the moments from the school, I might not even be able to talk about it because things were actually very difficult at that point of time. Because क्या होता था, if I have to remember, I used to come and sit in the class, and because I was actually the black sheep in the entire class. I used to listen to rock music, Metallica.
You still are.
But no, he is open to things. I think that what he.
Nirvana ये सब सुनता था, and at that point of time, first, second standard में लोग नहीं सुनते थे. So I didn't used to talk a lot. ठीक है, I have been an introvert from a very long time, and I still think I will be. ठीक है, but like होता क्या था, like they used to come, and I remember a moment. I was just sitting. ठीक है, I was in second standard if I am not wrong. ठीक है, मेरे पास water bottle थी, and 3 or 4 guys came in, and उसके बाद उन्होंने bottle में like they opened up the cap, and उसमें rubber को chop करके डाल दिया. And I was scared at that peak कि मैं वो बाहर नहीं निकाल रहा था. Like that was the peak of how things happened, and ये 8-9 standard तक हुआ. Till the time I started to when I actually matured, then things tables turned actually. ठीक है, I became the boss with it. That is another story. But yes, after I started working on myself, I started doing MMA, I started working out, calisthenics and everything. Then yes, things started to fall in place for me at least. But हाँ, उसका trauma रहा.
Do you still get bullied?
नहीं, I
He's the bully.
I maintain my space.
I just mentioned it, na?
I maintain my space with people.
You maintain your space with people. ठीक है, great. Okay, coming to you. आपने electrical engineering complete किया? पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी जर्मनी से ऑफर आ गया, you were all set to move abroad and coming from a family जो business में है ही नहीं already, and then you had this mindset कि नहीं खुद का एक company start करना है. Was that the toughest part of your life?
I never had in my mind I would start a business, to be honest. I had an acumen to solve problems for people around me.
Okay.
And I think that's what engineering teaches you mostly. कि problem solve कर दो, जो दिख रहा है बगल में उसको पकड़ो, solve कर दो. And honestly for me the toughest phase was yes, saying no to an offer. And that is why when a student is so close to getting there and they're not able to, I mean, it is something that I relate with. It is very painful. Because 2-3 साल लगाए थे to work on a patent research, worked on that very rigorously. I still remember sitting in library, not going to my hostel, just working on it, and the only purpose was to crack IWTH, which I did, very happy. But I was very close to going. I was filing my visa. But my family, yes, they had been supportive, but there were some situations which didn't allow me.
Okay.
So I'm the elder one in my family. I had to take care of those things, and yes, I mean I had to leave it. So tough tha, but again, I think that's what life is about. Coming to business, कभी नहीं सोचा था honestly, नहीं सोचा था तब तक. In my college, I used to teach IELTS.
Oh.
While I was preparing, I was the first one in my college to think, चलो बाहर चलते हैं, देखते हैं what it is about. To think about Germany. By the time I graduated, everybody around me was more or less done with the process. Offers आ चुके थे, किसी का वीजा लग रहा था, and the one who started it was not going. So that's the irony of life. So I remember there were 16 people from my own class who went abroad.
Oh.
And I was helping all of them and training them for IELTS. And the only thing was, let's do it together. I mean, just to solve the little problems that they had, doing their applications, writing their SOPs. I was freelancing as a content writer, so sort of had that knack for writing. So sort of SOP likhe, and I think it just went fine. Again, a lot of my experience kept me close to the study abroad industry. Was doing a lot of freelance cases to help students for MIT, Stanford, Harvard. And then when I realized how big this problem is of what we really solve, is जब मैं student थी मुझे help नहीं मिली. I remember you would relate. Sector 34 आप चंडीगढ़ में जाओगे, they're like the billboards, full range of boards, and there are very small shady cables of these consultants. Apart from the big brands, right? आप जाते हो बात करते हो. The worst thing anybody told me is Germany तो जाती ही नहीं international students. I heard that too, right? And he told me आप क्या Germany देख रहे हो, आप ही Canada जाओ. And I think that sort of stayed in my head for a lot of while as you get to know more and more and realize क्यों है ये in the back end, what is happening, how this industry runs, why people are so biased related to the countries or universities. It became very natural for me to solve it. So I think I never started a business, I wanted to start a solution. And I think, of course, with all of you, we have reached very far.
Perfect. So abhi no regrets, nothing.
Regrets for?
कि उस टाइम नहीं जा पाए, any regrets, और maybe अभी मौका मिल रहा है जाने का, will you ever choose to go?
I mean, god damn, we are sending thousands of students. What are you worry about? No, it feels proud. It feels proud because I know the pain of not going. I mean, most of the counselors, consultants out there would know the happiness of being there, experience of being there. I know what happens when you have your offer letter of your dream and you don't go. So I think we all would run harder to save their dream.
So what has been the toughest situation right now with your students अभी तक?
With our students?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा कुछ corner case when you were not very sure कि यार जा पाएंगे नहीं पाएंगे, then you cracked it.
I can name
I knew no where to start. Yes.
ठीक है, I'm not gonna name that person of course, ठीक है, for obvious reasons, but हाँ, corner case यार बहुत अजीब था because he came up with the profile that was lacking all of the basic necessities जो एक profile में होता है. Backlogs थे.
कितने? The estimation you remember?
हाँ, I do. ठीक है, there were close to 5 to 6 backlogs in the profile.
बहुत कम है.
You said people with 15 backlogs minimum.
ठीक है, with a 51% in the CGPA part.
Okay.
ठीक है, professors were not aligning for LORs as well. ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ, this can be a fix.
And apart from it, हम लोग टारगेट कर रहे थे MBA program, that too with only 4 years of experience.
4 years.
ठीक है, तो we had a lot of things on the platter. US करना है, US करना है, Germany करना है, यूरोप करना है, UK करना है, क्या करना है. तो we started working on the entire application part कि कहाँ कहाँ available है. Plus बहुत late था round के अंदर भी, because UK decide किया at the end हम लोगों ने, because वहाँ पे availability थी universities की. But that too हम apply कर रहे थे rolling basis पे.
Okay.
एक फिक्सेटेड गारंटी नहीं होता वहाँ पर, because of the process की rolling आपका fill हो गया तो आपके application based है. And 51% when it comes to UK, if I have to give you a gist about it, तो application criteria में 2:1, 2:2 की requirement होती है. 2:1 is like about 65%
हाँ.
on an average में, ठीक है. 2:2 में भी 2 criteria आ जाते हैं. People usually consider 55% से ऊपर 2:2 हो गया नहीं. Lower में भी आता है पर lower 2:2, that is close to 50%. ठीक है, और university specifically mention नहीं करनी है. तो if you are filling onto the experience part, तो might be possible consider कर ले आप. तो we started on his application part, ठीक है, we started applying to universities. हमने universities target करी on a more realistic end, ठीक है, instead of going forward with all of the good names LBS, LSE, UK में नहीं, वो चीज़ नहीं करी because clearly a reject आ गया. ठीक है, तो and that guy managed to get into Southampton with in fact a scholarship of 7,000 GBP.
Great.
£10. And not just that, he cracked Kent and cracked University of West London as well.
Perfect.
Like at least to me, that was something which actually mesmerized me and which actually granted me that wisdom कि नहीं यार हर एक चीज possible, it's all about the strategy. ठीक है, क्योंकि eligibility पे नहीं था वो, it was only the experience part जहाँ पे eligible हुआ था. But he did manage to get in, ठीक है, and kudos to the team for that. Because they were a lot of vertical.
Definitely, you have to say that.
Teamwork, strategy,
Absolutely.
more than that belief in the profile. मतलब कैसे भी करके निकालना. अगर हम भी सोच के बैठे ना कि नहीं होने वाला,
Exactly.
फिर तो होगा ही नहीं, वो होता ही नहीं है फिर.
Correct.
Any other
I think
situation?
you enrolled that guy, right?
All the profiles उनके साथ ऐसा scenario हुआ है Ashwin.
And he kept talking with me about कि यार एक बंदा आपका 48% के साथ था, नीदरलैंड क्रैक किया था उसने, लेकिन फिर उसके पास 3 लेवल तक आता है यार.
पूरी बात तो बताओ.
She'll give you the challenge, she'll tell you sort it.
That's how we make a very strong team.
Okay.
Definitely.
Now,
We'll come to that later. We'll come to that
I
later.
prepared him for the interview, I remember, and he turned out to be complete opposite of what Numair had described. ठीक है, तो मैंने बोला था इसको कुछ नहीं आता, बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा, and of course we understood कि यार important case है, you need to make sure that he's gotten one interview right now, you need to crack it. He's sitting there very poised in a black coat, ठीक है, and nicely combed here, very sophisticatedly settled, right, all ready for an MBA interview. पता चल रहा है MBA interview देने आया है, not just an interview, right? He opens his mouth. His first introduction is, yes, my name is this. I play guitar.
Dance.
I play guitar. I'm like, and I'm very creative. I also copyright. I'm like, okay,
No,
what do you write?
right.
I also read stories and I think I'm very creative. This was his introduction. So I think you should say thanks to the team.
Yes. You do. You should.
Dhruv. The German कैसे छोड़ेगा तू?
my strong
You will be
corner cases.
I know corner cases. I know all of their corner cases. ठीक है.
Like that one hidden gem.
I think I've got all the corner cases till now, but I remember one
इतनी
of.
नाइंस अभी नहीं करते हम तुम्हारे साथ.
But there was this one guy, majorly हम peak के लिए ready थे, right? But उसके बाद we figure out कि यार January फेब आ गया है, fall के लिए like final deadlines चल रही हैं. Out of the blue एक enrollment आती है, उसने told कि एक यार enrollment है, this guy needs to go to USA और बहुत sorted है profile सारी चीजें हैं, उसको USA जाना है और ready है जाने के लिए, सारी चीजें ready है, बस इसकी application करवानी है, ऐसे ही आएगा, 2 हफ्ते में wind up हो जाएगा. I be like okay, onboardingly I discussed everything with the student, then I asked him for his resume. The guy said his resume. I figured out यार GPA गलत तो नहीं लिखी हुई. Then I called him up. GPA सही लिखा है इसमें, हाँ तो 49%.
यार.
Then also the guy had one PG diploma. That too he scored around 50-55% PG diploma. Gap of 2.5 years. Last 2022 में काम किया था, उसके बाद कुछ काम किया नहीं था. Work experience was kind of average-ish, but it was fine. नाउ हियर कम्स द रिक्वायरमेंट, जाना यूएस से है, बैकलॉग है जो कि मैं बताना नहीं चाहता और जाना अभी है समर इनटेक के लिए, नॉट फॉर द पॉलिटिक्स, समर इनटेक.
And when did he come? This was February, na?
अभी
That's why I remember it in my
wants to
mind.
go to the summer intake of 24 itself, May 24 में जाना है. ध्रुव पहला चॉइस यार यूएस से ही करना है because I'm not taking his name but already यूएस से होकर आ चुका है. He was in Hurt International Business School and वहाँ पर कुछ ठीक नहीं रही चीज़ें and he was not very adamant of studying over there, right? Because पता लग जाता है कैसा कोर्स है, कैसे environment है. So वापस आ गया था. Then we I still remember me and Karthik we had a slot booked. आज बैठते हैं 1 घंटा यूनिवर्सिटी ढूंढ के रहेंगे समर के लिए, कुछ तो मिलेगा. 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 नाम कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. समर के लिए कुछ नहीं खुला हुआ है, फॉल के लिए खुल रही है यूनिवर्सिटीज. 3 on a scale of 4 GPA, वो भी मीटिंग करेंगे इसमें. घूम फिर के यूनिवर्सिटी मिली एंड व्हिच वाज वेबस्टर. 2.75 के रिक्वायरमेंट ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 4 जो कि हम मीट नहीं कर रहे थे बट आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक डिड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन अ प्रोफाइल कि यार सीवी में एक चीज नहीं दिखाती हूँ यूनिवर्सिटी को, एसओपी ऐसे ड्राफ्ट करते हैं और वेबस्टर का एप्लीकेशन पंच कर दिया. बट टू बी ऑन अ सेफर एंड आई डिस्कस्ड विद प्रज्ञा मैम कि यार यूके के लिए भी चलते हैं. आई मीन आई काइंड ऑफ फिगर्ड आउट कि यार यूके करना फीजिबल होगा बिकॉज फाइनल गोल इज आरओआई, सेटलमेंट, गेटिंग गुड इंटर्नशिप और आई वुड से एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, राइट? उस केस में यूके भी एक्सप्लोर किया, यूके अप्लाई किया. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वी वर इन अ मीटिंग जब यूके से ऑफर आ चुका था कि ही वेंट थ्रू ARU. यूके से ऑफर आ चुका था एंड आई डिस्कस्ड विद हिम कि यार यूके प्रोसीड करते हैं, यूएस आई मीन बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा फॉर समर, राइट? और हम लोग मीटिंग में बैठे हुए थे, मेल आता है कि यूएस से ऑफर आ गया है. एंड दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक मैम भी लाइक जाएगा यूएस, उनका नहीं अब तो यूके जा रहा है, अब तो यूके मान गया है.
The convincing that it takes ना कि यार
हाँ.
स्टूडेंट को फोन करके हम कन्विंस कर रहे हैं, like Dhruv was going around and around कि यार देखो आप यूएस छोड़ो, आपके लिए ARU ही सही है, आपके लिए यूके is the best option to go for. So,
Right. I mean, see if you compare the rankings, right, और जो चीजें चाहिए हमें, right, end goal है हमारा, उसके basis पे UK was like doing fine. तो UK जाना would be a bit choice for me, still going for UK. So I think that's a
Location,
very
he would be in
important
London.
thing. Absolutely, yeah, it's like centralized
Doesn't
location.
mean-
Yeah. So Webster में तो ठीक है but हाँ.
This guy, I think I remember, कभी इतना unstructured way में मैंने कोई mail या message नहीं
नहीं कभी नहीं करा.
I just figured out and I remember मेरे लैपटॉप का चार्जर नहीं था तो मैं फोन पे सर्च कर रही हूँ and एक लिंक खोल रही हूँ. Then I'm getting happy, अरे मिल गया. And then there was there was one point end में जो पता चलता था shit नहीं क्योंकि समर इनटेक देयर वर सो मेनी फिल्टर्स. फिर मैंने क्या किया, मैं पहले तो बहुत आराम से एक चेक कर रही थी एंड देन अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन फिर मैंने पूरा ऊपर से नीचे तक कॉपी किया.
ध्रुव को मुझे भेजा एंड वी लाइक वन डे वी सैट डाउन. आई टोल्ड ध्रुव हम बैठेंगे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे वी रोट द नेम लाइक इन द केबिन, वी टुक अप अ मार्कर, आई रोट टारगेट दिस एंड वी हैव टू एटलीस्ट फाइंड वन यूनिवर्सिटी ओनली. देन
तो हम ढूंढ चुके थे बहुत शुरू में.
हाँ, पर फिर मैं उसका तो क्या हुआ था.
I mean लिस्ट काफी सारी थी, उसमें से 40 नाम के बाद एक जाकर मिल रही है तो हम भी ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि यार करें ना, नहीं ढूंढना है हमें. But still we figured out like Webster we applied and for UK as well. Ma'am figured out a lot of names. मुझे नाम भेजे and I be like मैम ने बोला ध्रुव ये मिल गया, मैंने कहा फटाफट लिख लेता हूँ. दूसरा ये भी लिख रहा हूँ मैं. फिर 3-4 नाम मिले, I be like चलो मिल गए, 4 नाम काफी.
हाँ, UK was still fine. I remember 20 names I sent to you and then you said कि मैम 2 बता दो.
हाँ, 2 that 2 20 में से 2 जो अच्छे हैं और उसमें ढूंढा, उसमें कोर्स भी अच्छा था. A lot of things were there that was on basically on our end, तो ठीक है. I mean UK was
बेसिकली कहीं पे भी जाना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम फिल्टर छोड़ देते हैं, हम सिर्फ उसको यूनिवर्सिटी उठा के भेजते नहीं कि डीप डाइव.
The irony is we have sent students to Cornell and Duke, Carnegie Mellon. We are not talking about those cases. We are talking about people who went to potentially not the best names. I think these turned out to be the toughest cases because यहाँ पे अश्मिता बहुत ही corner cases पकड़ के लाती थी कि ये
Corner नहीं मैम, over the cliff है ये.
Still we managed it. But still we never lose hope.
Right.
कर लेंगे.
absolutely. Yeah.
That's it. We make a best team. We make the best team.
True.
Huh?
When we are on the verge to quit ना, then either Dhruv comes or I come, यार ये केस कभी नहीं लेंगे अगली बार. मैं
हम ही नहीं रहते.
हम भी वो केस ले लेते हैं. Every day we are like क्यों? And when enrollment comes, my first question is व्हाट इज द प्रोफाइल, ढंग से बताओ क्या मिसिंग है क्या पूरा है, तब बताओ तब केस
तो
लेंगे.
कार्तिक से पूछना है ये केस है, गिव हिम अ टफ केस, हाँ कर लेंगे. पीछे जाके पता नहीं व्हाट ही सेज, उस टाइम पे हाँ कर लेंगे. ध्रुव बिल्कुल शांत हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
ध्रुव को
ध्रुव
बताओ
goes-
कि ये प्रोफाइल है, ऐसे होता है. हाँ.
goes into deep mode. and उसके बाद जब
He
तक
goes into
ऑनबोर्डिंग नहीं
thinking.
होती तब तक आप ध्रुव को नहीं छेड़ सकते, क्योंकि आपने उस टाइम पे ध्रुव को छेड़ा या तो कुछ खराब हो जाएगा या तो ध्रुव चला जाएगा उठ के. That's the two things that will
He
happen.
needs clarity of thought
Correct.
and that's also thing. अगर मैं किसी चीज में हूँ फिर मैं फोकस नहीं कर सकती, and that's I also deterred कि मैं अभी नहीं जा रही, अभी ध्रुव को छोड़ दो, let him sort it out whatever he's solving right now.
तो अभी इतने सारी बात करें मतलब कंट्री वाइज, बिकॉज वी वर जस्ट स्पीक ऑफ यूएस एंड यूके, बट वी हैव आल्सो सर्विस स्टूडेंट्स फॉर फिनलैंड, साउथ कोरिया, ऑस्ट्रिया तक के लिए आ रखे हैं. सो
Right.
तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिच इज द टफेस्ट कंट्री टू डू द एंटायर स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोसेस फॉर?
What I think is toughest is like जहाँ पे tough तो कोई country नहीं है honestly. जितना सबसे easier, you just have to understand what they are saying.
हाँ.
Right, जो उन्होंने लिखा है उसके हिसाब से चलो.
हाँ.
Right.
Toughest what I would say is in terms of documentations, because when you go towards these European countries, I have a case, तो उसमें like we finalized University of Vienna. Now I was not sure कि यार यहाँ पे apostille documents लगते हैं. Now what apostille is basically you have to get it attested from the ministry, right? Because to allow them to verify your documents. तो where these documentations are there, वहाँ पे ना टाइम बहुत लगता है. Now you don't have these people around who get these documents apostilled. अब पहले आपको एक verified agent ढूंढना है, plus आप उनके हाथ में अपने ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स दे रहे हो, सो द सिक्योरिटी, राइट. सो व्हाट आई फील टफ कोई कंट्री नहीं है, टफ सिर्फ उसका प्रोसेस है या उसकी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है. इफ यू हैव ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इन प्लेस, यू कैन गो एनीवेयर यू वांट टू स्टडी, इवन चाइना.
हाँ.
इवन चाइना.
नहीं, बट जैसे अभी फिनलैंड का आई बिलीव आपको हर डॉक्यूमेंट हार्ड कॉपी उनको भिजवाना होता है, दैट टू ट्रांसलेशन होता है.
Right.
अगेन कमिंग बैक टू डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, बट वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस ही इतना हार्ड होता है कि वो स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोसेस हार्ड बनता है.
करेक्ट. वो स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोसेस वो हार्ड नहीं बनाता. बेसिकली आपको बस डॉक्यूमेंटेशन समझ लो उनको एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए. सो वर्क ऑन टाइम, यू नो, बी एक्टिव. आप वेबसाइट पे सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है उन्होंने. देयर आर यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक नेदरलैंड्स, वहां पे तो यू डोंट इवन हैव टू, you just have to go to the embassy, get your visa done, that's it. There you don't have to do anything. आपका पूरा सारा काम यूनिवर्सिटी करके देती है. They even send you all the things, like आपका जो like they send a confirmation that you know you have been accepted and you know this is your visa, like that, like an I-20 basically. So they send it. So there are universities like that, but कुछ universities in Finland, Sweden, in some countries में, yes, they are unexplored places. That's where the documentation is very high. Once it gets explored, people like international students, they come in, documentation अपने आप आसान हो जाएगा. They would know like you know these credentials are legible. So वो problem आएगा, but yeah, it's not tough. That's what I would say.
And just to make it more easier, I guess, if you understand कि आप ऐसा कोई country target कर रहे हो जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा international students जा रहे हैं, but majorly नहीं target करते, like US, UK and all, right? So I think it would be better if you can start early in time, because काफी और help हो जाती है. You understand कि काफी ज़्यादा requirements हैं. थोड़ा पहले start करो, but the only thing is कि you should ideally look for a location which suits your profile. And apart from that, अगर documentation एक बहुत बड़ा hassle है आपके लिए, या हो सकता है आगे जाकर, so I guess it would be better कि अगर थोड़ा time से पहले start कर लो, काफी चीजें sort हो जाती है. Even university is going to give you a university representative of your own, right? तो वो काफी help कर देते हैं आपको, but basically the crux is जल्दी start कर दो.
And be informed. और ये जो थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट्स होती हैं उन पे कभी रिलाई मत करो. वो कुछ भी लिख के किसी का भी नंबर दे देते हैं. You might be a victim of scams basically. तो don't believe on third parties.
You can believe on
The university website.
Right.
And us.
And us.
नहीं, I think हर केस में कुछ ना कुछ टफ हो सकता है. For example, there are students very simple profiles, very simple objectives, and words need.
Right.
Now that becomes a tough case.
Yep.
So your personal challenges, if you don't have documents, it becomes a tough case. If let's say, अब जैसे we have a student right now, everything is done. We have the offer letter. We have rather the unconditional offer letter. But now to proceed, हमें और official transcript चाहिए university से for September 24 intake. But the student will not graduate and have a degree until September 24. Now how will the student do? It has become a tough case for you. Starting early, like Dhruv said, helps. because at least you can identify these challenges earlier, potentially solve them, try to see क्या क्या solve करना है, आप यही कर सकते हो. कुछ ना कुछ problems आएंगे ही आएंगे with respect to any country. For me, I think Germany, people classify it as a tough country. I feel it's very easy because I've spent a lot of time maybe doing that. That is what I started with. But बहुत clearly वो बता देते हैं ये 4 चीजें कर दो and it's all done. Versus let's talk about Finland. जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं कि Finland tough है, उसके admission criteria, requirements इतने tough है, actually tough नहीं है. They have classified our Indian education system degrees into certain points. ठीक है, तो points आपको meet करने हैं, अगर आप points meet कर रहे हो तो admission मिल जाएगा. So rather that makes it very clear. But उसको समझना, अपनी degree के सारे documents लेके आना, फिर उसको evaluate करना. If you don't have the time, everything will become tough.
What are we exactly doing with that student? जिसका भी आप बोल रहे September 24 में he is graduating. What are we doing with that student now?
We are meeting the universities. We are trying to figure out ways that we can have some sort of draft. More like letterhead पे print करा के कि student potentially इस महीने में graduate हो जाएगा. So provisional certificate के basis पे आप try कर रहे हो. हम university से extension मांग रहे हैं orientation miss करने के लिए कि हम उसके बाद आएंगे.
So one tough case that I had, if we are talking about it, and just to mention it because जैसे मैम said कि अगर एक LOR भी नहीं है तो the profile becomes very tough.
Yeah.
So I remember it was like 8 months in while I was working here. तो मेरे पास एक case आता है, very peculiar profile. मुझे नहीं पता था. Whenever I used to get on a session, I used to be scared, hell scared to take that session and work on the profile. Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you the name. You will understand. So that guy is very sweet. It's not that. He's a very good guy. Again, crazy active, very active all over social media, all over LinkedIn. Yes. So then what happened was the profile is like he did his undergrad from Ukraine. He was doing his MBBS basically, and his specialization was biotech. He left that, came back to India, started with a distance degree.
एक second. Who is that student, Ashmita?
मुझे याद नहीं.
Who enrolled that student, Ashmita?
मुझे याद नहीं है.
It's all you.
It's all you.
It's all you. So
तो समझ गए.
अरे किसकी बात कर रहे हो? मुझे तो याद नहीं कौन यूक्रेन से
Right.
है. एक सच में पूछ रही हूँ कौन है?
पता नहीं.
आपको लास्ट में बताएंगे. So
Let the time tell.
right, and he was very active. मतलब he was like, Karthik, whatever you tell me to do, I'll do that. But just let me, just send me to US because मुझे जाना है. ठीक है. Very good with the profile. We worked on the profile enhancement. Why I was scared? Because back of my mind I knew कि यार अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ, this will set him back. So that is what I was scared. It was not about कि rejection आएगा, not about the applications, not about anything. We did the profile enhancement. The first challenge came was the marks, official mark sheet, like proper semester wise mark sheet नहीं थी. डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन आपको एक ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर वाइज मार्कशीट दे देता है. आई वाज ऑन हिज हेड कि यार लेके आओ, इसके बिना हम एप्लीकेशन नहीं पुट कर सकते. ओके, दैट वाज अरेंज्ड, फाइन. सेकंड चैलेंज, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशंस. नाउ अगेन दैट बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग चैलेंज बिकॉज ऑफ डिस्टेंस. यू आर सिटिंग इन अ डिफरेंट स्टेट, योर कॉलेज इज इन अ डिफरेंट स्टेट. हाउ कैन यू टेक रिकमेंडेशंस? द प्रोफेसर डजंट नो यू. So that was the second challenge that we overcame. Third was it was 3-year degree. Again, that was another major challenge plus distance. We lost all hopes. I was sitting with him. We finalized 4-5 universities. I said, "कर दे, last batch है, deadlines है, क्या करना चाहिए?" He was like, "कर दो यार, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा." And that touched me a little because it was something which I took very passionately and I took it very, seriously. कि नहीं यार, इसका तो करवाना है. And I would be the happiest person alive who would, if he gets through.
Yeah.
We put in the applications, डाल the applications, right? We were waiting. And within application also मतलब there were a lot of troubles. कि यार कभी SOP नहीं, SOP में कुछ problem है. We were figuring out should we mention some things or not because it might create a negative impact. So a lot of things, but we put in the applications. Those 2 months when we waited, it was like a ticking time bomb. कि यार ये तो अब खराब हुआ, अब रिजेक्शन आया, अब रिजेक्शन आया, अब रिजेक्शन आया. But eventually, yes, he got through Northeastern, he got through Stevens, he got through this University of Maryland as well, a conditional offer letter. When we got Northeastern, he was so happy कि यार कार्तिक तुमने भिजवा दिया. And I told him यार मैं भिजवा के तो रहूँगा, but that was one of my toughest, I would say toughest cases. Plus you know where I was in back of my mind कि यार 1% गलत नहीं हो सकता है, अगर ये गलत हुआ I don't think so that I'll be able to face myself. So that was the happiest moment, and that student now is in visa. So he's
Actually,
proceeding-
पता है profiles don't make a case tough.
Right.
We can crack any university. I think everybody is confident and we know the drill. It is that aspiration, that dream, that responsibility.
Correct.
When a student tells you, यार आपके ऊपर है सब, देख लो. I trust you 100%. You will take all the right decisions for me. आपको ऐसे लिखना है आप ऐसे लिख दो, आपको नहीं लिखना मेरे प्रोफाइल में पूरा मास्टर्स ही नहीं दिखाना मत दिखाओ, बट आई एम रिलाइंग ऑन यू एंड दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स इट टफ.
Right.
And the moment you know, and that is where you would also sort of take that pressure. कि यहाँ पे connect अच्छा है. Also the cases where the student generally deserves to go to a
Correct.
very good
Right.
name.
Right.
जहाँ पे profile बहुत अच्छी भी होती है and student is not aiming for very good names. It is your own self telling you कि नहीं यार ये तो deserve करता है.
Right. And he actually deserved that because उसने इतना काम किया अपनी प्रोफाइल पे, and he was like he wrote 3 research papers in 2 months and he was crazy about going abroad. मैं कहा यार अब तो करवाना पड़ेगा. Now that responsibility.
वो फिर दोनों तरफ से भी आता है ना कि स्टूडेंट इज हैविंग अ लेट बैक अप्रोच, फिर आप भी होते हो ठीक है भिजवा देंगे, मतलब हम भी उस वो जब रिगर हमें सामने से मिलता है we also become that passionate and together it's like I would say handling a baby.
Right. I was.
This is
You could not describe it that way.
She walks with my baby.
Okay, baby going to Northeastern. Oh my god.
This is indeed Ashwata's passion that brings in all of these difficult cases for you. Right?
Exactly.
The passion.
कुछ
Yes.
भी दे दो अश्विता को, जाना हाँ हो जाएगा, कुछ भी like एक ही आंसर होता है.
यार हो जाएगा, some or the other way हो जाएगा.
हो जाए, it's all about the responsibilities that scares all this.
Right.
I mean, at the same time, it is very much fun, but at the same time, अगर responsibility आपके ऊपर आ गई है, I mean, the thing that मैम said अभी की, बोलते हैं कि आपके हाथ में आपको दिखाने दिखाओ, नहीं दिखाना मत दिखाओ, it's all serious हैं. The case that we had going for Duke now, मुझे याद है 2 बजे मेरे को सिर्फ इतना बोला था उसने, यार आपके हाथ में आपको दिखाना है दिखाओ, नहीं दिखाना मत दिखाओ, कोई बात नहीं. And the
यहाँ
moment
पे
I-
ज्यादा confusion होता है.
हाँ,
क्या करें?
But at the same time, he was like showing that hope, that sense of affirmation, and he was very like kind of relying upon you कि यार आपके हाथ में है, अगर आप दिखाना चाहते हो, आपको लग रहा है यूजफुल होगा, दिखा दो. और 2 बजे बैठकर इंसान सोच रहा है कि यार दिखाऊं ना दिखाऊं, उसके बाद सारे चीजें go through कर रहा है कि यार नहीं हुआ, मेरे को आकर बोलेगा तूने दिखाया था, तूने नहीं दिखाया था. But it's more like कि जब वो चीज फुलफिल होती है, सबसे ज्यादा खुशी भी हमको ही मिलती है.
Right.
Exactly.
Even more than the student.
More than a
It's
student.
very
Yes.
good.
Very.
And definitely, मतलब, I remember alongside this case because it was one of the toughest cases that I took up. I was constantly coming to ma'am, ये कैसे करें, अच्छा मैम इसको कैसे करें. Ma'am reviewed the research papers. मैम कर दो प्लीज क्योंकि आगे जाके उसको सबमिट कर दो क्योंकि and मैम was like ठीक है कार्तिक मैं करके भेजती हूँ. So I think everybody at that time was together. We were like कि यार we had questions कि यार ये कैसे जाएगा, but भेज दिया. So you know we solved each other's doubt कि यार चलो ठीक है, मतलब जहाँ पे अगर मुझे आंसर नहीं मिल रहा I can seek answers from them. Even Dhruv, even Numair, even ma'am, even you as well. आपने भी बहुत सारे आंसर्स दिए कभी कभार. Which gives a different perspective यार कि नहीं यार टेंशन छोड़ के थोड़ा मतलब you see the other side. So definitely
Teamwork.
teamwork.
Break.
The point is
खाना.
हाँ लेंगे end में खा लेंगे. The point is you people need to go through some psychology cases. Bring some psychology cases.
I remember
Absolutely,
I remember
yes.
when ma'am told me कि Karthik, like I think it was again my initial days,
हाँ.
I said initial months. Ma'am told me Karthik आपको ना एक workstation बनाना है psychology का. मैं कहा okay.
ये सबका नहीं मिला था क्या?
ये I give this to everybody because I know it is the toughest.
It's the toughest. So ma'am gave me कि चलो you have to add as many options as you can, but it should be psychology, not clinical. It was clinical I think or not clinical. मैं कहा okay. I was doing the चलो
Well.
shortlist is done.
मैंने
No, मैंने नहीं बनाया. Shortlist was done. I went to ma'am. Ma'am closed the laptop. अच्छा कार्तिक मुझे बताओ साइकोलॉजी की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है. I was like okay. I didn't know the requirements because it was more like university name, not clinical, put done. That was my shortlist. So from there I learned कि अच्छा psychology cases में what peculiar things do you need. And I think yes, psychology student अगर आएगा सबसे पहले मैं लूँगा, आप लोगों तक नहीं आएगा वो because I want to.
Abhi I think I'm the only one.
Yes, I mean, ma'am has handled a lot of cases.
But I'm going to make sure that everybody handles it. I mean, that journey is also very different. I mean, for us, all of these, personally, for me, I take these as journeys.
Yeah,
किसी की
journeys.
छोटी journey हो जाती है, किसी की बहुत लंबी journey हो जाती है. But these are very interesting journeys. My journey with psychology cases, I've handled, I think, in the past 1 year, at least 5-6 psychology cases. और simple तो खैर होते नहीं
नहीं
हैं.
होते।
श्मिता जी अगर उनको एनरोल करा रही हैं तो
सिंपल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं
किसी
है।
का 3 साल का डिग्री होगा बिकॉज साइकोलॉजी में 4 year इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन जो हमें बाकी भी जगह भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं बट हियर इट इज लाइक पत्थर की लकीर यू कैन नॉट बी चेंजिंग इट एंड इट कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व थ्रू बेस बाय द वे
Right.
so you had to figure out a way अब तो once Ashmita has given the word then you're a team just you gotta get it done but this case particularly and also the student was good. She was again placing a lot of hope because she had faced rejects twice in 2 years across 2 intakes. She had wasted 2 years of her
यूनिवर्सिटी
life.
रिजेक्ट्स
हाँ.
अच्छा
तो 2 intakes में वो apply कर चुकी थी, reject ला चुकी थी and she said that okay you're my only hope now and you make sense. Let's see. And yeah then you need to do it.
Right.
IELTS चलो दे दिया, student was smart enough she could do that. प्रोफाइल में कुछ नहीं है, फ्रेशर है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल साइकोलॉजी रिलेटेड इंटर्नशिप. सो वी हैड टू फर्स्ट गेट हर टू दैट बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो अ रिक्वायरमेंट हियर. इसके अलावा अगर आप एस्पिरेशंस की बात करो, आई हैव टू गेट टू द आईवीज. सो it was something that took up a lot of mental space also. Honestly, a lot of days I was praying that ये हो जाए, नारियल फोड़ूंगी मैं आपके. But this has to happen. She needs to get an offer, and that's the genuine intent I think all of the counselors would have for the students. यार इसका ऑफर आ जाए, कहीं से ऑफर आ जाए. 90% आपको क्लैरिटी होती है कहाँ से आएगा कहाँ से नहीं आएगा, but still you want to get it done for the student. And of course she went abroad the last year. Now she's taking a transfer to Stanford.
Oh.
So that is a new news from the latest update. But I think when I talk to her, when she messages me, the only thing is I could not think I could get to US anymore. And practically things are changed because हो गया वो, आपने navigate कर लिया challenges को. But that psychology drill of understanding the requirements, that in itself is a tough yet a very beautiful journey, which I think everybody needs to experience as a counselor at least once.
After psychology, I would say agriculture. Now, that is a journey which I think, yes, all of you should experience. Ma'am ने तो किया ही है, but definitely like agriculture में भी like the student, you can't do anything. You're just sitting here in India. You can't, you don't know who is the professor there. वो क्या करेगा? आपकी प्रोफाइल उसको पसंद आएगी नहीं आएगी, क्या वो आपका चेयर बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा. Now your life depends on a person who is sitting like 1,000 miles away from you. They don't respond to your emails. And that journey actually requires a lot of patience, where you have to handle the anxiety of the student in such a way कि यार, if I say that it's going to be over, it's all rejects, she'll devastate, right? You have to calm her down. You have to tell her, okay, there is always a ray of hope. Pick up the easiest solutions. Tell her, okay, this is the first solution, this is the second solution. So I think वो journey ना is more like कि you'll be very happy because end में you know, आपको नहीं पता कब क्या हो जाएगा, right? You won't know कि यार अच्छा okay, someone would, like a professor would consider her profile to be that at par to what their lab standards, right? And eventually after 2 years she got that assistantship. She is going off to US. So I think agriculture भी एक ऐसा field है. I think there are a lot of fields.
Specialized,
सारे specialized, biomedical sciences, bioengineering, nuclear physics, particle physics, सब पढ़ लिया हमने.
Supervisors. I mean, there has to be a better way to reach out to professors.
Definitely.
मतलब I shared this link on the
Yes.
CST. कि there are now platforms which are connecting students with professors potentially for research. So if that is actually true, एक तो सबको explore करना चाहिए, and
Definitely.
if it can be done, it can help a lot of applicants.
Yes.
And coming back to small yet very important LORs, I mean, I don't know why the professors are not ready
Ready to
to
give the
sign
answer.
them. I mean, at least giving the clarity. As a counselor, you're stuck. You can't do anything about it. आप student को बोल सकते हो जाओ university, try to convince your professor, talk to the professor. You can write emails on the students' behalf to the professors. but you don't get any response. You have filled out an application, already जा चुका है, उसका application fee invest हो चुका है, और आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. That's, I mean, these are the toughest situations where you don't have control. Whatever is in our control, writing the best SOP, we can do it. But going to the professor and getting it filled is not possible.
Not at all.
So I mean, for the professors, give the clarity to your students. If you don't want to fill it out, just tell them कि नहीं कर पाएंगे हम.
And take it from some.
Exactly. I mean, that has to be the thing. Because LORs this year, we have had a lot of students जहाँ पे हम LOR पे फंस रहे थे, and these were good students graduating from good universities. But again, same problem. Very minor problem.
हाँ, पर solve कैसे किया फिर ये?
They figured out, we changed the recommendation. There are applications जहाँ पे कम से कम 6-7 बार हमने recommenders की details change की हैं, mail करवाए हैं.
Even after like putting the name in first place. Even though मेरे साथ cases हुए हैं जब students की recommenders बोल रहे हैं कि हम नहीं करेंगे, तो I myself became the university representative. Officially mail से भेज रहा हूँ उनको.
So there are very weird ways of doing it, but yes, we got it done. Plus, kudos to the students because if I have to go to my professor and he says no to my face, what kind of a situation I'm in? क्या करूँ यार? ऐसा लगता है बस खत्म ऐसा. So their resilience is something which is should be appreciated a lot.
Absolutely, I feel actually pity for a student of mine because he had to come from Mumbai, and he came twice only for a normal LOI that had to be sent over a mail.
So I think resilience to the students, hands down.
I have goosebumps right now. Students sort of go through a lot. It's not easy to be the study abroad aspirant.
हाँ, overwhelming हो जाता है. It becomes. नहीं तो सबसे toughest क्या है? Bachelor's, masters या PhD? कौन सा है इनसे?
PhD तो हम लेते ही नहीं. अब किसी ने PhD तो हम लेते ही नहीं.
Ashmita,
please
है?
make a note of it.
there are Karthik.
मैंने वो भी note करवा दिया.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we are saying हम लेते नहीं.
दिए जाते हैं.
दिए जाते
So
हैं.
you should take your own personal topic.
To take all the
Psychology
PhD.
case.
हाँ.
Agriculture.
नहीं, अभी कुछ और बोला था.
What did I say?
Psychology दे दो.
हाँ, psychology.
सारे psychology.
I'll bring in a psychology and assign it to myself.
Very good.
But
नहीं, but नहीं, not PhDs. PhDs मतलब
हंस लो.
I think
लाइट जाएगा.
मैं हंसो.
हाँ.
PhD तो नहीं यार, हम नहीं लेते PhD.
Why exactly like PhD में मतलब हम नहीं लेते that I also know.
Right. Oh,
But
okay.
बताओ.
सारा मुझे पता होगा ना.
बताओ PhD क्यों लेते क्यों नहीं?
हाँ, आप बताओ please. I think you should shed that
कि
light.
यहाँ
कि why would we?
बोलो रिवर्स हो गया भाई.
I mean, we are ready to serve PhD cases. Why are you not taking PhD cases?
ठीक है, मैं बताती हूँ. PhD क्या होता है? PhD हमारे as far as I know on a very serious note, PhDs are supposed to be fully funded courses and उसके लिए आपको sponsors चाहिए. तो there sponsors as in there should be professors who are willing to sponsor that for you specifically. वो आप यहाँ बैठे बैठे connects बना रहे हो. There should be good number of research work जो आपने कर रखा होता है. lot of things जो background में करना होता है. डायरेक्टली आपको PhD मिलना रिक्वायरमेंट्स बहुत बार मीट नहीं कर पाते हो. 2-3-4 साल लग जाते हैं उनकी वो रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट करते करते. तो
क्या है वो requirements?
Please
One of-
shed that light too. हम भी
Impart some
जानेंगे.
wisdom.
हम भी देख लेंगे.
one of them being what I know is one of them being good research, a lot of research work, thesis, research publish करवाओ, बहुत mainly उसी पे चला जाता है. And that too फिर वही है कि जो professors है वहाँ पे वो वाला, क्योंकि आप जब PhD करते हो they are also funding you, right? तो जब वो fund कर रहे होते तो उनसे connection
कहाँ से आ रही है?
पता नहीं बा, हमें तो आज तक नहीं मिली.
आ ही जा रही है. Looking at your funding.
हमारा तो एक स्टूडेंट बना मिली अभी तक.
but no, हाँ तो that is my knowledge of PhD. इतना तो
तो PhDs में majorly yes research, it is very research intensive, not very, I would say a lot of research intensive.
Exactly.
Second is there are multiple interviews. You have to get your dissertation accepted by a professor there. It should be aligned to your field, their field, and it should benefit both the parties. ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे इसीलिए इतना टाइम लगता है because I think in terms of India, I'll take an example. यहाँ पे अगर आपको PhD करनी है, right? You need a person sitting on the council where you are submitting your dissertation, interviewing, and they are interviewing you, so that he can take up the voting for you. You know, he can drive that, and you can do your PhD. And your dissertation should be accepted. ठीक है, दैट इज द मेजर थिंग, दैट इज अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ अ सिमिलर केस देयर। तो वहां पे भी आपकी डेजिग्नेशन एक्सेप्ट अगर नहीं हुई, बिकॉज अगेन दे आर फंडिंग यू, राइट, तो यू हैव टू गेट अ डेजिग्नेशन एक्सेप्टेड। इंटरव्यूज में बहुत रिजेक्ट्स आते हैं, अगेन प्रोफेसर्स मिलना इतना मुश्किल है, दे वुड want someone from their own country or someone from their own domestic area to take up that PhD.
Yeah.
So the competition is a lot वहाँ पे PhD।
डोमेस्टिक को ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं।
डोमेस्टिक को ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं ऑब्वियसली। यहाँ पे इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता कि मैं किसी और नेशनलिटी के बंदे को, सॉरी नॉट बीइंग रेसिस्ट, बट किसी और नेशनलिटी के बंदे को बोलूँ कि यार आप PhD करो, राइट, यू वुडंट फाइंड अ पर्सन हु इज ही इज एन अमेरिकन एंड ही इज डूइंग अ PhD in India, right? So people won't, it would be very tough for him too, not for us, उनके लिए भी tough होगा। तो that is the basic requirement, again depends on university।
It is accessible but complications exist in the PhD.
हाँ, and वहाँ पे student resilience बहुत चाहिए होता है। वहाँ पे student आपका ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि it's not like a master's course, ठीक है, it's a very very research intensive। वहाँ पे student को इतनी सारी चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी, शायद आपको उसका half भी ना करना पड़े। So it's more on the student rather than the counselors।
It's the next PhD case.
Absolutely.
टफेस्ट है इसलिए हम लेते नहीं है।
Not
Toughest है इसलिए हम लेंगे।
टफेस्ट है इसलिए हम लेंगे, टफेस्ट है इसलिए लिया भी है, तो पता है कि क्या है उसके अंदर।
नहीं, we've taken 3-4 PhD cases.
Yes,
We've taken those.
we have taken.
And now I guess it's more easy for students because the university is MS plus PhD courses भी available.
integrated
It
courses
is
are-
becoming now more accessible, and why we took these 3-4 PhD cases, the only reason was these people had good research already there. मतलब एक आइडिया था कि किस फील्ड में PhD करने जाना है, क्या मेरा रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट है। अदरवाइज द मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल हु आर इंक्वायरिंग फॉर PhDs आर लाइक, यू वांट टू गो फॉर PhD, no dissertation, no research, how can you help them?
Exactly.
They need to have a clarity of thought, right? So I think यहाँ पे अगर उनको पता है किस फील्ड में रिसर्च करना है in depth, it's doable. It's still doable.
Right. It's not tough।
तो PhD, bachelor's, masters. In terms of difficulty.
PhD, bachelor's, masters.
Yeah.
नहीं, actually PhD.
PhD, bachelor's, masters।
अच्छा, PhD में हमें ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती, इसलिए
नहीं,
You just
नहीं, we are
need to-
keeping PhD यहाँ पे।
नहीं, सब easy है हमारे।
सभी हमारे लिए ग्राउंड लेवल
I
पे।
like this vision.
बिकॉज क्योंकि अगर PhD हमें पता है यार उसने करना है, स्टूडेंट उतना रेजिलिएंट है, कर लेगा,
हो जाएगा।
हो जाएगा।
मतलब आप 4 कदम चल रहे हो, वो भी 4 कदम चल रहा है, हो जाएगा।
एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ,
पर
they
उसको
can't
I
wait
think
to-
शायद बैकग्राउंड में उसने
Nice.
पूरी जर्नी उठानी पड़ी होगी,
Good.
बट यस
हाँ।
मास्टर्स यस, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बैचलर्स थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगता है पर्सनली।
वो तो अपनी अपनी इच्छा है।
Through go फिर bachelor student.
प्रियांशु चाहिए। नहीं, I mean bachelor is very easy. It's just story लाइन पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है, पूरी जर्नी दिखाओ। मास्टर्स में बहुत कुछ है दिखाने के लिए यार, काम कर रखा है, अंडरग्रेजुएट में बहुत सारी चीजें करी है, पढ़ाई करी है, ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े हैं, इंटर्नशिप्स एंड ऑल। 9th 10th 11th में क्या दिखा,
क्या करोगे? एंड मैं
सुबह 6 बजे उठ के स्कूल जा रहे हैं, 4 बजे वापस आ रहे हैं, ट्यूशन जा रहे हैं।
मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ क्यों टफ है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज रन टू मैम कि यार मुझे बताओ कि मैम इसमें मैं क्या करूँ, ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, बिकॉज पता नहीं क्यों, व्हाई इज दैट, इट्स अ नोशन।
मास्टर्स में ना स्टूडेंट आता है, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस, आई हैव सम आइडिया अबाउट दिस,
Right.
हेल्प मी पुट दिस इन अ बेटर वे कि मैं क्या लिखूं इस बारे में। बैचलर्स में
You have to
I don't know
tell
what I'm
them,
good at.
yes, you have to
I
tell them
don't know
what
I'm
their
good
interest
at.
lies in.
Right, so you have to figure out, you have to help your student. There are students जो हमारे undergrad cases हैं, and again we don't take up undergrad cases also, चलो bachelor's और CS में भेज दिया। There are students जिनके लिए 1 साल खाली हमने ये किया है that we help them unleash what they are good at.
Exactly.
By a lot of sessions. This student that we know going through Virginia Tech
Yes.
this year.
Yes.
Now, most of his journey, typically 60% of his journey, was just helping him out, just conversations. कि आप किस में अच्छे हो? Computer science ये होता है. इसका कोई टास्क करके आओ. And Karthik, you also took a few
Yes,
sessions,
yes.
right?
More towards personality development as well.
Personality development has to be done.
हाँ.
That is something else. But
हाँ.
to figure out what the area of interest will be. For example, when
हाँ.
I remember when I had to go for my bachelor's, I wanted to become a doctor at
Okay.
first. My grandfather is a doctor. My entire school knew that I'm going to become a doctor. And irony of life. But yes.
Became an engineer and working as a businessman. Quite irony.
Versatile. But the point is, जब मुझे ये डिसाइड हुआ कि चलो engineering is something that I can do,
हाँ.
right? Because I was good at maths. I was hell confused. मैं electrical करूँ, अब मैं
हाँ.
mechanical करूँ, मैं chemical करूँ. Honestly, my first choice was mechanical.
Okay.
But then you don't see a lot of field jobs for women around, right? So my mother was a little stereotypical. Then I figured out. मैंने लोगों से बात की mechanical में, तो I understood. Yes, it's genuinely a little tough, right? I knew मुझे coding नहीं करनी, but everybody was after me. Go into computer science, but I knew I'm not going to do this. तो मैंने 3 महीना I talked to all my family relatives at IITs, all of them, and they had set the standards very high for me.
Okay.
So I have this big joint family with so many, paternal uncles.
Uh-huh.
All of them are from IITs.
Oh.
Each one, including my father who's from BITS Pilani. So आपका यहाँ पे बार सेट हो गया है, ठीक है, और हर कोई अलग फील्ड में है. So I had my own family to sort of conversate with. Everybody's telling me experience in electronics, chemical, textile, right? My father is a civil engineer. तो वहाँ पे तो my mom said don't become a civil engineer ever. So I think it took me 3 months to get to what I wanted. Even when I had clarity मुझे क्या नहीं करना. The students that generally come, they don't have even clarity of क्या नहीं करना. तो पहले आप उनको आइडेंटिफाई करवाते हो क्या नहीं करना आपको लाइफ में, आप उसको इरेडिकेट करते हो. Then from the selected boxes, you finalize. And I just had a confusion in engineering. With this person, we had a doubt: is he interested in engineering or business, management, arts? So one day he used to come and talk about I want to go into sports and work at Nike. The other day he used to come and say I want to just code and earn, very good. So what can you do? You remember the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik took a wonderful session. बहुत ही अच्छा session लिया. He went very happy. For the first time he talked to his parents about branding ही होती है. I can work at Nike, I can do this. The next day he comes and says, branding? I never said I have to do branding. He said, I do computer science. And then you reach to the same ground.
Same.
So it took a lot of time. That is why bachelor's is tough. और कोई problem नहीं है bachelor's में, because applications like Dhruv said कुछ है ही नहीं. आपको बनानी है profile, so वो white canvas and all of us are like pretty good at filling it.
It's more like goal clarity in our terms. उनको गोल एक्चुअली में उनको गोल क्लैरिटी चाहिए
होता है.
सो दे आई वुड से दे टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ योर एनर्जी एंड दे वुड टेक अ लॉट ऑफ योर क्रिएटिव आइडियाज बिकॉज आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव बीन थ्रू दैट. हमने भी, जैसे मैम ने अभी बताया, मेरी फैमिली भी पीछे पड़ी हुई थी, यार मेडिकल करो, नॉन मेडिकल करो. आई सेड नहीं करनी, राइट. आई वांट टू गो टुवर्ड्स समथिंग व्हिच इज ऑफ माय इंटरेस्ट, राइट. मैथ्स बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है, मेडिकल तो होगी नहीं मुझसे कभी. प्लस आई टोल्ड देम अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट थिंग, यार अगर आप मुझसे करवाना चाहते हो, if I get bad grades or I don't get into a very good college, then it's up to you, it's on you, it's not on me. तो I know how it goes. जैसे we all know, we have been through that. सबने सुना है, सबने रिलेटिव से बात करी है. We know the pain that they might be going through, the confusion every day they have to go through. Not just 1 day or 1-2 months, but every day. They go search on their own, they come to you for questions. And one thing that I felt कि यार कभी भी जब आपके पास एक अंडरग्रेड का स्टूडेंट पूछने आ रहा है ना, as you said, like a baby, you have to बहुत स्वीटली बात करनी पड़ती है, बहुत आराम से उनको समझाना पड़ता है, because they're just kids, they don't know.
Exactly.
Right, so definitely
The patience level.
Right, the patience level.
Some students are really good.
Right.
They're really good.
But the patience should be like on top. It should be like here.
You have
like,
to be.
you
What
have
is
to
the
be.
toughest part of being a CS of this job?
Answering your questions right now.
Yes.
Maybe.
Plus, your enrollments coming into me. And to them, look at their faces. Okay. क्या बोलूँ अब मैं?
Those enrollments made you who you are.
हाँ, definitely.
है ना? Agreed?
Gosh.
One word you said in the past. Tough तो है tough. नहीं थोड़े see on a fair note, you are expected. Okay, to be very realistic, let's talk about Diwali time.
Okay.
ठीक है, आपको पता है उस टाइम आपका पीक सीजन चल रहा है. आप घर गए हो दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करने. Everybody smiled. I know. Because उस टाइम पे आप अपने स्कूल को छोड़ नहीं सकते. You cannot.
True.
And honestly, the best part is that none of us here, none of us take it in a way that we have to do this. We genuinely want to serve our students, we want to see them at good places. But yes, when you are with your family and you are expected to work on Diwali, let's say, और कोई स्टूडेंट है जिसका डेडलाइन अभी जा रहा है और आपको फिल करना है, ऑन द अदर साइड योर मॉम इज कॉलिंग यू फॉर द दिवाली पूजा, yes, it's tough, right? Versus the days you're not feeling all right, there'll be days that you don't feel like talking, for example. But we all go into the sessions with the same energy. We forget what's going on in our minds. Kuch bhi problem hai, I think we tackle it. We keep our personal space very separate.
Right.
And we get into those discussions.
Absolutely,
Right? Whatever bad is happening with us, we can never let that inflict. Rather, that motivates us to serve better to our students. Right? There'll be students calling at 2-3, not just to tell ki offer aa gaya, but sometimes to solve problems. So I also remember, taking calls at 2 क्योंकि 2-3 बार miss call आ गया. So I just got up and see, okay, now I need to take it, right? Even if I'm not feeling well. There are days I would have like severe migraine and I can understand. There would be a lot of days when you are not feeling well.
Yep.
And I know it would never even come to me. I have never seen anybody bringing this topic up to me. But I am bringing it up here because I know it happens with me also. कि severe ऐसे दिमाग फट जाएगा. But for me, and I think for a lot of people, when you enter that session, 5 minute बाद वो ना चला जाता है. It goes away.
Right.
Because when you're into the session, you are solving a problem.
Exactly.
And you come out of it as a winner every time. Right? So I think that is for me a very fair, toughest problem for, everyday life. That's what I could say.
We are handling a person's career and future. वो एक step, अगर एक call नहीं उठाया, चीजें यहाँ वहाँ हो सकती, we don't know, right?
And the toughest, I've talked to so many people in the industry. And आप इमेजिन करोगे क्या क्या challenges face कर रहे हो सकते हैं agencies, ये consultants, these companies. I can assure you, with all the hundreds of people that I've talked to and the students, the biggest problem in this industry is the counselors don't pick up the calls.
Yes.
सबसे it is ignored, बड़ी छोटी problem लगती है. But आप students से normally पूछ लो. Just go out and talk to 10 students.
Exactly.
The biggest problem is counselor not picking calls. So it seems like a very small thing to talk about. It's the biggest problem. It's the biggest problem. And I feel literally very proud कि not just me. I mean, when I started and I was handling students, yes, there's this zeal, you have to do this, you have to do this, right? But that is ingrained in Karthik, Dhruv, Numair, you. Everybody takes it in a way कि अब ये student हमारा ही है, हम ही करना है, जो भी है वो इसको इसकी नैया पार लगानी, and we do it every single time without a fail. So I'm literally proud.
Who's the toughest CS out of you four?
Every driver.
You are actually
Toughest? देखो, I would say I'll be the toughest. क्योंकि what I felt was like जब मेरी when I started out, तो I remember not being so confident that I am right now. Always on my toes.
You've not seen Karthik's first onboarding. I regret not.
I've heard a few rumors about the onboarding. Kind of rumor. And
Please आप बता दो, मैं नहीं बता पाऊँगा.
Please continue.
So initial days of my training, because I would say I joined, it was my first in office job. So there were very high expectations because मेरा interview, Pragya ma'am didn't take my interview, only sir took my interview.
The only person जिसका interview मैंने नहीं.
Yes, exactly. So, and because पता नहीं था, and I was sitting here again the same place. I was sitting there.
Right there.
Right, exactly there. And ma'am came in, like ma'am introduced, okay, where are you from? I told her I'm from Chandigarh. Then we clicked at that point. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is again that point. So that made me more comfortable. Plus, again, ma'am always told me कि नहीं यार, ठीक है, आज नहीं हुआ, कल हो जाएगा. कल नहीं हुआ, परसों हो जाएगा. But it will happen. So I remember having a lot of presentations which I used to run from. मैं मैम को हमेशा मना करता. मैं कहा मैम अच्छा चलो ट्रेनिंग तो हो गई, मैं कार्तिक प्रेजेंटेशन तो देनी भूल गया. So I used to give presentations a lot.
He's gone through a very rigorous training.
मैम used to push me like करो कोई नहीं होगा. I remember अभी तो like not a lot of CSS joined the training sessions, but I remember during my training, this room used to be filled with people, and I used to present here. So I was nervous at times, low on confidence, but that taught me a lot of things. So
It was different from what we have had.
exactly, very different, बहुत different था. Like it was, I would say, very easy for you guys. But yes, I tried to instill those things in a different way.
I don't know if Lumer agrees.
Then I remember कि फिर मेरा first onboarding का time आया. It was with someone, with a student. So हाँ, someone ही थी. So it was with a student. Again, everybody was happy. They had a lot of expectations with me कि यार नहीं अब तो कार्तिक is ready. Now he'll rock the onboarding. कोई बात नहीं, एक दो चीजें ऊपर नीचे होगी, कोई problem नहीं. I joined the onboarding. The student joined the onboarding, and there were 5 other people on the screen, which didn't have anything related to the onboarding. It was Pragya ma'am, it was Sir here, fellow CSS as well, just to see that how the onboarding goes. So I remember everybody was hearing, and the onboarding started. I was going on. Then in between, I panicked at some point, and I said that okay, there was a fellow CS, so please take over. I said that on my first onboarding. I saw ma'am running from the cabin to my seat. What happened? And okay, the onboarding went off. It was fine, but I was very very nervous. यार अब ये तो I've made a very big mistake.
ऐसे कोई बोला था यार.
मतलब सब तो सही जा रहा था, कार्तिक क्या हुआ?
हाँ मतलब it was not perfect, but he was catching on. मतलब ठीक जा रहा था, ठीक है. एकदम से पता नहीं क्या हुआ. He just stopped and he हितेश को he said okay take over. I'm like what? अभी तो कनेक्ट बनना शुरू हुआ है, बात करो. एंड you have to fight. आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो, आप कर लोगे उसको 10 मिनट में आगे. Don't leave it, don't leave the hope. So I was sitting here in the conference room, I remember. मैं यहाँ से फिर भागी उधर, and I'm asking what happened. Say this, and then what I realized is चलो बाद में करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, just go on. But I think
So then you stopped then in the onboarding.
I stopped onboarding and
नहीं, then
onboarding दोबारा start किया.
Okay.
I caught up, understood the profile. When I was going back home, I called my mom. I was literally crying कि यार माँ नहीं हो पा रहा यार, please मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, what should I do? This is one of the most कि मुझे लोगों की इतनी expectation है मुझसे, I'm not standing, not doing justice to it. She said just 2 things. If you want to leave, quit.
mom is very structured.
Yes.
3 points.
2 points. Yes. And वो literally normally ऐसी बात करती है, करनी तो ये 2 चीजें कर लो, मर्जी तुम्हारी है. So she said कि you either quit, if it's not happening, just leave it there. ठीक है, नहीं हो पा रहा छोड़ दो, और go tomorrow with the same zeal, with the same energy. इतना टाइम निकाल लिया, definitely you'll reach wonders. So that's what she said. ठीक है. So,
Good that you chose the second part.
Exactly, I chose the second part.
I like the first part.
And eventually, ma'am support. I used to be with my laptop standing here. कि ma'am doubt है, and I think those doubts built up what I am right now. After that,
because I mean we've all had those instances. मैम मेरे साथ भी वो लैपटॉप लेके फटाफट ऐसे ना उसका भी ऐसा कर घुस गया. कुछ भी मैम कर रही है, डाउट तो पहले सॉर्ट कर ही रही थी. It's with all of us, and this has made all the CSS realize कि यार potential है हमारे अंदर, and things that we've done.
so I consider as myself the toughest CS to be.
We all are the toughest CSS.
The toughest CSS?
Being a CS is the toughest thing, right?
But during the training part, yes, I believe that अगर आप सब होते, आप लोगों ने देखी होती तो I think पता you would have.
आपका perception बहुत अलग होता.
आज जो कार्तिक का perception है थोड़ा different रहता उस time पे.
All of you have had very strong points and a lot of weak points also. हर बार you have selected to work on your weak points, and होता क्या हम बहुत शुरू में वो identify कर नहीं पाते, and more than that हम अपने strong points भी नहीं identify कर पाते. And my drill is I would work more with somebody who is ready to take the next step.
Yep.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 10 गलतियां करते हैं. जितना मैंने गलतियां कर करके सीखा होगा, आई थिंक nobody would be there who would have made such drastic mistakes. The first student we served, I still remember, because you were still figuring out how to do a lot of things. You would make mistakes, right? and the potential जो आप सब लेके आए हो on the table, I think it is an early identifier even on the interview, right? And for me, कार्तिक का इंटरव्यू नहीं लिया, but I think the first day we had a US का discussion जो हमारे ट्रेनिंग का पार्ट
Yes.
होता है, and very sorry, we were just talking about it very normally, जो बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते, ठीक है? He was very natural with talking, so you identify, okay, he built a very good connect. The first time you're meeting somebody and you can just build a connect like that, so the connect was the strength,
Yeah.
right? I remember Dhruv's interview. Dhruv को मैंने इंटरव्यू में काफी करके किया था, I think.
Because I had sort of experience prior in the same industry, so I was grilling में अब जो भी questions आ रहे हैं related to Germany, ये देखो वो बताओ, US में क्या होता है, visa कैसे होता है, मैं रुक तो जाओ मेरे साथ में यार.
I remember. Because I'll tell you, the HR told me that this person is very interested to work with premium universities. He's very good with communication. So chalo, she would do the basic testing, but then he's very interested just to do the premium names. He is very eager to learn, and people eager to learn, okay, the best kind. But then a lot of times when you know a lot of things, particularly why I'm telling you this is because हमने उन लोगों के भी बहुत interviews लिए हैं जो इस industry में बहुत time से हैं.
हाँ.
So they develop a mindset.
Yep.
So I didn't have to get the answers to those questions. I had to judge his mindset.
हाँ.
What is his mindset about this, whole deal of study abroad? What he has worked with? उससे क्या perceive किया? क्या उसके positives हैं, negatives हैं? Okay, does he present the negative to me or does he present the positive to me? Right? Why does he want to go to the premium schools? So, and before I could do that, I had to make sure कि हम judge कर लें कि of course इतना experience है तो आप what sort of mindset you are bringing. So the only reason was that, and even if you could not answer a lot of questions, अगर होता है ऐसे, you answered all of the questions
Thank you.
except for Germany में mess किया था एक question.
And now he's the master of that.
Germany, I started with Germany. I said public private. मुझे लगा हो गया. मैम ने पूछ ली और दो चार चीजें, मैंने कहा इसका क्या?
THFH, all those things.
हाँ, because that
I
time
did,
was
I actually did.
very new to this German public private schools and everything because I was learning the process. Right?
Because I asked you a question, which countries do you know about, and you said Germany.
Germany.
पकड़ा गया.
I has to answer a lot of questions regarding Germany, public account, like blog account, the public private universities, basic difference between these two schools. कैसी categorization होती है, the sort of profile that you hold if you want to apply to those universities. So I guess I kind of.
But he was very logical. So
He still is.
His key thing that I could identify is he's very logical and he has a lot of clarity.
हाँ.
ये करना है, ये नहीं करना. ये क्यों नहीं करना? पता था. Why he was switching? He knew. Why he does not want to work in that setup? Knew. And people try to present it in a very fancy way. He had his logic clear और वही सामने रख दे रहा. Simple. So I think that is the one part that I appreciated a lot. Numair के interview में I had something, some sort of a meeting going on.
Okay.
And Kirti scheduled this interview.
हाँ.
Okay. And that this person is again very eager to learn. I think that's then let's do it today only because we also had to hire quickly.
हाँ.
And beach mein there's some sort of emergency that came. I think some student has visited that day. ऐसे कुछ हुआ था. तो Numair का interview start हुआ. I told him okay, give me 5 minutes. Then he waited. Then we start again. Then I told him okay, I'm sorry, I need 5 minutes again. Then he waited. वो 5 से और 7-8 मिनट हो गए. And he was still, as he was, still the same energy. And when I came back and वहीं पे actually in the next 2 minutes I had judged. Because you could see his expressions on his face, that hunger, that I am going to get this. I am going to learn. And the sort of calmness that he had. थोड़ा सा मैं अब differ कर रही हूँ उससे experience, but I think he still sat there. And जब आप questions पूछ रहे थे, वो question खत्म नहीं हो रहा था. He was starting with the answer, good answer, and again, chuck, done, right? And he was like, okay, get me the next question. That is the sort of attitude that he had. He
Had.
on that interview he had, but yes, he
Still you
was.
have.
You could see the hunger to grow. You
हाँ.
could see that hunger to grow. तो बड़ा शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू था, आई थिंक नोमैर का इंटरव्यू बहुत ही शॉर्ट था.
And when I instilled the trainings, I think we sat down and said, okay, Karthik, you have to instill what you learned. So I remember Dhruv's training. I remember in my training as well. Very particularly is because यहाँ पे एक बहुत grilling करी थी मैंने. Because I knew he knows, but वो सीधे उसमें नहीं बोलेगा. I have to push him to his limits. Again Dhruv का ये था, he used to sit. Again, hunger to learn तो दोनों में ही था. Particularly, I remember one thing कि training चल रही थी तो Numa used to come and ask कि after every grilling session he used to come and say मैंने कुछ गलत बोला या मुझे ये चीज़ कैसे put करनी चाहिए if I'm talking to a student. ठीक है, okay. That's one thing like seeking.
आर्टिकुलेशन आ ही जाता है हमारी कन्वर्सेशन.
हाँ, again and फिर ध्रुव का I remember constant reminders. And ध्रुव का I remember used to be कि अच्छा ठीक है अगर ये है तो okay इसको how can I solve it in a better way.
Yeah.
So that learning process plus it's not that कि अगर आप किसी को train करो you can't learn from them.
हाँ.
I learned a lot of things from these two guys and even
Absolutely.
all the CSS कि I know अगर मुझे जर्मनी का कुछ doubt है the best person to go is these two. If I want कि यार अच्छा कोई चीज थोड़ी गुस्से से मुझे solve करवानी है
I knew this was coming.
I would go to Numair. No, that's a good thing because sometimes you would need that attitude. You have to be in that mindset कि यार कार्तिक इसको ये बोल के खत्म करो. I can't do that. I can't bring that in.
एटीट्यूड मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज करना है करो.
नहीं करना.
आई एम नॉट
I'm putting your process on hold.
कर लो.
So on this note, we'll end our discussion.